Today I'm going to be reviewing Freshcut Mini Meow Christmas card. I just got this in. This is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and open this up. I haven't even looked at it. Let's see how it comes. You get a card inside. That's what it looks like. Really cute. Here's my hand. Gives you an idea of the size. All right, what else do we have in here? Should be the card. Oh, this is really cool. So it's actually easier than I thought. So this is how it comes. And then you just fold it up. Okay, so to open it up, because I'm a dum-dum with gum, you actually just, on the bottom, look, push up. And then it locks in right there. And there it is. Look at that. So 6 inches. And it comes with this nice card that you can put right in there like that. Really cute. That's what it looks like up front. There's the cats. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And look, there's a guy on the side right there. This does really well. It's got 4.7 stars. It's an Amazon choice. And last month, 1,000 plus of these were bought. So people like it. It is just paper, but really well made. Look at that. And it's on both sides. There you go. Hope the review helps, and I'll see you next time.